Remember when you called me when I was in Ireland and you said that I had left electricity on and I had to send, I think, an extra 400 dirham, about 40 or 50 euro. Well, there's no one in the flat right now, but this is still moving. And the reason it's still moving is because we all have to work together, don't we? I think what these people need is baraka, not dirham. Because you can't eat dirham. So, with that said, I'm not going to cry over spilt milk. What I'm going to do is pray for rain. Sometimes we don't understand each other. I'm going to let you see what I do. Allahu Akbar. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Ya Allah, Ya Rab. These people here in Morocco have had drought, no water to feed the plants or the animals. Ya Allah, Ya Rab, please bless us with rainfall that can cleanse the earth and cleanse us of our sins. Please forgive us for fighting over land, but we'll continue to fight for our freedom. Hayya, 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 oh! We're gonna get some rain. We're gonna get some rain in the air. Oh, do you like gazelle? That's right. It's that simple. Ask Allah and He provides. Before I was who I am today, I was a Rasta. And Rastas believe God provides. Bismillah. Thank you, Ulmas, Ulmes. Shukran, merci beaucoup pour toi. And Sidi Ali.